It's a great day for painting, couples painting that is, with Patricia's Art Emporium. I'm using a 10 by 10 canvas that I didn't like what I did with it, so I kind of scraped all that paint off. So I'm going to try now to do the sink strainer. The colors that I'll be using are Deco Art Prussian Blue, Apple Barrel Gloss Mossy Green, Artist Loft White, Apple Barrel Gloss Dandelion Yellow, Master's Touch Light Magenta, Artist Loft Black, and Apple Barrel Tropic Orange. Okay.
What color are you going to use first?
I think I'm going to use the dark blue.
Light color?
Huh?
A light color or a dark color?
The dark blue. That comes out first, so if it goes away, I'm not that concerned about it.
Oh, really? I would like the dark blue. I'd save that for last.
Maybe I'll do the pink then.
The blue and the yellow and the pink. They're all pretty colors next to each other, sort of.
Well, maybe I'll put white there first.
Do you have silicone in any of those?
Yes, I do. Not that it's going to make a difference, but I do. I have like a half a drop in each one. Looks like it's not even.
Just make sure you get it poured all around the side evenly, that's all. Or unless you want some colors on one side, some color. Looks pretty coming out. The pink looks really pretty.
I don't even know if I used any orange yet.
Orange and the blue would be pretty next to each other.
Doesn't look too special.
The orange is colored. That takes over a lot, doesn't it? No matter what orange you use, it always seems to take over a lot.
Using a lot of white today. Oops. Kind of over here looks like Mexican glassware or whatever they Mexican pottery or whatever it is. I don't see very many cells.
Why don't you take it and swap it 180 degrees? Because it seems to be running a little close to that edge here, because it mustn't be quite as level. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see that.
So if you just kind of like pick it up and hold it flat though, so it doesn't wiggle around.
That way?
One more turn. There. There, see if that. There. Look at all the orange though, huh? Amazing how it goes.
Ah!
Oh, look at that pile.
I know. We'll have to move that. Oh, look at this. Oh, you're doing that.
Yeah, just tilt it just a little bit for you. So see, you're starting to move a little bit more to that side there to kind of get it even. So when you move it around later, you'll be fine.
Back to being slow moving. I already used these colors before, but I scrapped it because the colors were too thin. Now it looks like they're too thick again. But
Might as well dump the rest of the paint in there now. Just probably maybe have to save some for the middle, but I don't know. Look at the pink. You don't see much pink in there, huh? Little points. Little points. Looks like shark teeth coming out the side.
that's because the pink is thicker than the rest of it. See how thick it is?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't look like it's going to be very pretty. No cells. No nothing.
Yeah, you'll get cells pretty soon.
I don't know about that. See, I don't want to put any more of the orange in there.
maybe have enough. Maybe I may need to put some stuff along the edges here, you know. So,
Yeah.
So maybe I'm not.
That's why
black.
I could use that. Might as well, right? It just is supposed to be to...
Yeah, I guess use your little shovel. You can shovel it right in.
Yeah.
Wherever the shovel went.
Because there's nothing pretty there.
You don't get it onto the other paint. You're all set. You're so brave. You go over your picture with your paint.
You do that too.
I know, but I do it because I'm unconscious most of the time.
It's a way to use up what you got, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of having it go to waste. I was doing good. I wasn't going over the picture and then I just did again.
What's for supper today? Tuna?
Tuna babuna. That's a pretty color there.
Yeah, look at that, how nice that looks.
Okay.
Okay.
Pretty. All right. You gonna use this?
Me? No, maybe I'll throw in the water on it.
Oh, well, that's what I was gonna do, throw it in the water. Oh, that's right, you wouldn't use it like that anyway, duh. All right, so, am I ready to pick it up?
Yeah, you gotta pick it up with your hand underneath.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, look at how pretty that looks. Maybe I can sell my glove. Oops, let me get some of the BBs out. Okay, here comes tilt-a-wheel. Let's see, I don't need to tilt right there because it's already there, so I'm gonna go...
Corners, I guess.
Yeah. I even took the time to measure things out today. Go figure.
Looks nice.
See any bubbles?
Nope, looks good.
Still thick again as usual. But luckily I got GAC 800 per Priscilla Batzel's recommendation. So I don't know. I guess it should looks different, that's for sure. Got this over here that's totally different. Excuse me. The orange here. So the two colors that I used today that are new are the Apple Barrel Gloss Mossy Green, which kind of looks like Fatigue's color of, what do you call it? Camouflage. And I used the Deco Art Prussian Blue. And that looks pretty there. Mm-hmm. Oh, and the Master Touch. I almost said Majestic Touch. I just said it. Light magenta. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long. It's too long?
It's about 30 minutes long.
Oh boy. Maybe we can cut some out of it. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends. Check us out on eBay at username johnhimm.
Paintings been selling like hotcakes.
Yeah, paintings are on eBay, so some of them have been, they've been selling pretty good. So keep watching, keep buying. And that's Couples Painting from Patty and John at Patricia's Art Emporium. Peace.